Today, I'm going to be talking about YNAB, a popular budgeting app that I've been using for the past few years. I've gotten a lot of questions about YNAB recently, and one of the most common questions is whether or not it can be used offline. So, in this video, I'm going to answer that question for you and show you how to use YNAB offline. Imagine you're on a road trip and you need to track your expenses. You don't have internet access, so you can't use your online budgeting app. What do you do? YNAB is a great budgeting app, but it does require an internet connection to work. This can be a problem if you're traveling or if you don't have internet access at home. So, can YNAB be used offline? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. First, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of YNAB installed on your device. The latest version of YNAB has a feature called offline sync, which allows you to sync your data with the YNAB servers when you're online. Second, you need to make sure that you're signed into YNAB before you go offline. This will ensure that your data is synced with the YNAB servers. Once you've done these two things, you can use YNAB offline. Here's how. Open YNAB. Go to the Settings menu. Select Offline Sync. Turn on Offline Sync. Now, you can use YNAB offline. You can add transactions, edit budgets, and track your progress. When you go back online, YNAB will automatically sync your data with the YNAB servers. YNAB can be used offline, but there are a few things you need to do first. Make sure that you have the latest version of YNAB installed on your device and that you're signed into YNAB before you go offline. Once you've done these two things, you can use YNAB offline and track your expenses on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.